Hello everyone, today I made one very popular street food, Akara. We also eat it on Saturday morning as well. My name is Ebunduwa. You are most welcome today. Akara is made majorly from beans. You can use any beans. You just have to peel this. I'm going to link my memory video up so you can also see how I got to this white beans from the black one. Majorly just peel it off using blender, but you can see it properly in my memory video. The link will be at the end of this video. You can please watch that as well. I do blend in batches. This way it reduces the amount of water that I use. Just put a little beans into the blender, add very little water. As long as your blender is rolling, then you are good to go. After some time, I add the remaining beans and everything just blend nicely and very smooth. At the end, I have a very thick paste of beans, and this is very perfect for Akara. Then you need to transfer your beans paste into a bowl and you need to stir continuously for about 5 minutes. You need to stir until it looks white or you think it has increased a little in the size. It needs to have some changes before you can say, oh, you are done. 1 habanero pepper and 1 medium-sized onion will be going into this recipe as well. You can use more or less. You can cut it, you can dice it, you can chop it. Just make sure it gets into your beans mixture. I blended mine in this case and I'm just going to add it to the beans mixture as well. So right now I'm adding salt to taste. Don't over salt though, just salt to taste. And also I'm adding my blended pepper mixture to this and just give it a quick stir. And also you can add seasoning to this if you want. It's absolutely optional, but in my own case I didn't use seasoning. I used crayfish. I used this tiny crayfish. Believe me, it took this Akara balls to a whole next level. Try it guys, it's very nice. In a hot pot, put your oil. I'm using vegetable oil, and throw in a slice of onion or two. Believe me, it changes the whole atmosphere. Scoop your beans into the oil in batches, as big as you want, as small as you want, depends on the size, and just fry for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. If the heat is too high, then it might get it burnt. So on medium heat, just fry for about 3 to 5 minutes and it's absolutely ready. Guys, please subscribe if you are yet to. I'll see you in my next cooking video. Bye guys.